Okay. So, we've been in this room before. We flew and kind of walked around real quick. This is the boiler room. Pretty sketchy stairs that go down on the floor there. Place is pretty wild. No, I'm not flying in here either. It's like an old time clock or something at one time. This looks pretty cool. Oh, too bad. Can't get down in there. Damn it. That sucks. Kind of wanted to see what was over there. Probably not much. There's an osprey. I don't know if you can hear her, but she's got a nest across the yard of where we went in. You can see it, like right up there. She's like right in there. She's not happy that we're in the area, I can tell you that. She must have some babies. And she does not want us around. Dude, I found one of these 3D printed drones.
Oh, snap. Knucklehead left something behind.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was something.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at the inside of there. Man. I want to know what that was in the middle of the floor.
I think there was a deer on there.
This place is insane. This old stuff is just so beautiful. It's so beautiful. This is just insane. It's just beautiful. Boy, she's still out there screaming. She is still out there screaming at us. Jeez. That's like old fabric. Jeez. You do not see that anymore. This one.
Did you go? Oh my goodness.
I walked all the way up that before. We came here the first time. That's why I'm down here. Do we want to get a great shot? Oh, you're already up there. Never mind.
Sorry. What's up?
When you come down here,
Yeah.
does your phone have that like sensor that if it's in a dark area and you click it?
It'll do a night shot.
So look inside here because you can see all the ports to the front.
Oh yeah. When I saw your light, that's what caught my eye. Was
Oh, okay.
passing through.
All right.
That was really awesome.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
But I want to try to get like a long exposure to that.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's a fucking vulture right here. Bro.
The what? What?
There's a vulture 10 feet from me right here on top of the furnace.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool. You got in there somehow, huh? We had it down at our pump house one year and it set off our alarm. Yeah. He's gonna fight you? Awesome. He found a vulture up there. Dude, you should try to catch it so you can keep it. We'll take it home with us. You can use it as a guardian for your house. Walking up to you? Are you recording any of this? That's crazy.
He's walking through me. He's walking through me. Bro,
What?
come up here now. He's hissing at me.
Oh. Yeah, he probably doesn't like you being in his spot. God, it's cold. Was that him?
That's it. I hiss, but he hiss first.
Oh.
When you press this, he's all right. What's he doing? Oh, oh my God, he's underneath. He's underneath. He's underneath that slit. He just jumped down.
Oh, yeah. I can see him.
Oh, he popped his head back up. He's over there.
I see his little legs. I don't know if you guys can see him or not, but he's right in there.
Oh my God, he scared the crap out of him.
Oh, yeah, check him out. Yep.
Yep. Here he comes.
I wonder if he's got a nest up here.
Nest.
Look at this fucker.
Here he comes. You get ready to punch, bro. I don't want to have to.
It's gonna be vulture dinner. Yeah, we're talking about you. Uh-huh. Yeah, you think you're special, huh? Yep.
Oh my word.
I got you on my camera and on my phone.
I'm recording you, recording yourself, taking a picture.
Yeah.
Just to prove it.
Come on, open those wings up again. Right there.
Yo,
Look at you.
he's like 10 feet away.
Yeah, there's got to be a nest there. Has to be someplace.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy, you said you walked up here.
Yep, I've already seen all that.
Dude, there's an entrance, there's a stair.
Uh-huh.
There's a stair going to the ceiling. I don't want to walk down and have that bird standing right next to my face.
It would be funny if it stood on the stairs. You couldn't get down.
That caught me off guard.
Oh my God. Oh, I see the eggs.
You do?
Yep, there's a nest right there.
That's why she's busy.
That's why. Yep. All right, honey. Well, I won't keep you, okay? You got all the right to protect your eggs. Yep, you're cool. I'll leave you alone. Freaking vulture. That's nuts. Well, I mean, I guess it's in here. It's protected. Down inside the floor by the boiler and the walkway. That's a pretty shot, huh? That's pretty cool. I'm gonna get that for a photo. Nice. Sun's coming out, bro. Sun's coming out pretty good. I'm going over to where our bags are at. All right. Yep, she's still going to town. That's awesome. All right, we'll talk to you later.